Well, I'm going to show you the next project we had for my first whip. About 20 years ago, when the car was converted to manual, we had an old pedal set. Now, didn't really complain back then, but now with the new engine, I'm noticing a lot of slop. And as you can see, here's how we've lots of room, which does not lead to precise shifts. And so I'm going to put a new pedal set in. I got that from Mustangs to Fear. And for fun, I'm going to get new pedal covers. These ones here, 20 years ago, homemade, made with a spike, and we hammered through to make these beautiful holes. Anyways, I'll go get the new set and show you. Looking forward. Well, here's the part from Mustangs to Fear. This is the brake and clutch pedal, and this is for a manual brake system. My car is manual brakes. It does have disc brakes up front, but it is strictly manual, all power with the leg. So this is the beautiful piece. Looking forward to put that on. And for the topper, pièce de résistance is new pedals. And you can see the little Cobra insignia a la Gone in 60 Seconds. So there's the set we're going to put on. I'm excited. What you need to do is mark the holes, and yes, drill away. Enjoy. All the hardware is provided to enable a firm and safe attachment of the pedals to the pedal assembly. Great stuff.